Cardano is certainly one of those tasks that have amazing expected beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit. Based on peer-looked into scholastic examination, Cardano has united areas of strength for throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the aspirations of its group have made ADA one of the top cryptographic forms of money on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano cryptographic money and task are about and inspect our ADA cost figure for the next few years. If it's not too much trouble, remember that, likewise with some other digital money, it is almost difficult to make a 100% exact Cardano cost conjecture. We notice what least cost and most extreme value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years, yet those are only our assessments. This video doesn't comprise venture guidance. Cardano, ADA, is the local badge of a proof-of-stake blockchain that goes by a similar name. The Cardano network was established in 2015 by Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson. Cardano establishment expresses that its definitive objective is to give trendsetters and visionaries a stage that will assist them with making the world a superior spot. To achieve this, the Cardano Group is building an interoperable and versatile multi-resource record with a stage for evidence-savvy contracts. The Cardano blockchain was intended to be a more proficient choice to confirmation of work networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It has higher interoperability and versatility potential and is additionally quicker, less expensive, and more practical than POW blockchains. The Cardano biological system runs on Ouroboros, the principal POS agreement convention that is unimaginably secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholarly exploration. Each change to the Cardano guide is peer-checked on and secured by an exploration-based structure. Cardano stays an extraordinarily well-known digital money regardless of having a great deal of contest. At the hour of composing, it is as yet one of the main 10 digital currencies on the planet by market cap. Most Cardano value expectations are bullish on this coin. All things considered, it has every one of the signs of an effective crypto project, an incredible group, a steady local area, and a strong specialized establishment. There are additionally a few financial backers who became disheartened in this coin as they naturally suspect following through on its promises couldn't. In any case, they appear to be a minority, and most hodlers accept that the future costs of ADA will surpass its past ATH. Accepts that Cardano is fit for coming to $5. Notwithstanding, as per them, it will occur in 2031. This stage anticipates that the ADA coin's cost should gradually continue ascending before long with practically no issues or interferences. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, ADA has gone through a significant stretch of stagnation in 2019 to 2020. Later on, nonetheless, it flooded upwards, getting more than the $3 mark at its top in late 2021. ADA's cost activity reflects that of the remainder of the crypto market. It went to the moon during the alt season in mid-2018, shot up during the market blasts of Right on Time in late 2021, and has had a brief time of cost development in WAC 2022. Dissimilar to numerous other conspicuous coins and tokens, ADA's typical cost in 2022 turned out to be lower than its pace throughout the late spring of 2021. The bear market that followed the market blast in November 2021 has impacted Cardano more than the other top digital currencies. This could be an indication that financial backers have begun getting some distance from the coin. Its exchanging volume has likewise gone down. Nonetheless, it actually appears to hold sufficient premium to follow anything that market blast will come straight away. Presently, we should investigate our own ADA coin cost expectation. Cardano Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cardano will be 51 cents. The most extreme level that the ADA cost can reach is 58 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 53 cents. ADA value estimate for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Cardano toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 49 cents in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 45 cents and at 50 cents, Individually. October 2022, Cardano value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the ADA cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 48 cents, while the greatest could reach 53 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 50 cents. ADA value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value variances of Cardano in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ADA rate they anticipate may be around 52 cents in November 2022. It can drop to 49 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 55 cents. December 2022, Cardano value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the ADA cost will be exchanged at 53 cents by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to 58 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 51 cents in December 2022. Cardano value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Cardano will be around 76 cents. The most extreme expected ADA cost might be around 90 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 79 cents in 2023. Cardano value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano, in 2024, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $1.13 and $1.32, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.16. Cardano value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Cardano and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ADA cost could drop to $1.57, while its greatest can reach $1.92. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.63. Cardano value forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ADA costs are normal in 2026. $2.77 and $2.28. By and large, it will be exchanged at $2.36. Cardano value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillation